Hello friends, and how are you? Today I have Vivo Y21A. Sorry, Vivo Y21 only. So there is problem of FRP lock. You can see here. This is the phone. How to remove this FRP lock from this phone. So let's start. Start. Next. Next again. Don't copy, my phone is already connected with Wi-Fi. If you do not have connected, firstly you can connect with Wi-Fi and then next. Don't copy. I do not have any password of this phone. You can see here and correct. Use Google account instead. Using this one. I do not have any email or Gmail ID of this phone, so I will go back, 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 back. Press on the accessibility using the tag back. Use tag back. You can see here I will draw like this. Allow using double tap. Use voice command, double tap. Yes. Now I will say here open Google Assistant. I have opened this one. Now I will say here open setting. Now I will turn up the tag back with two finger together. Two volume up and down together. Again turn up the tag back. Now I will about Siri. Warga hagoram dayo mobile kaman. Device Vivo Y21 12 version da goram V2111. Go back, back. Using the system. Using the phone clone. I have agree. This is new phone. Android. Got it. Allow. I'll take another phone. Okay. Sorry. This is another Vivo. Setting. Scroll down. System. Phone clone. Old phone. Connect with this phone. Both phones are connected with each other. Sorry. Minimize this one. Minimize this one. F. Okay. Quick shortcut maker. Okay. Send. Confirm. Got it. Allow. Done. Press on the F. Open now. Okay. Search here the factory test. Factory test. You can see here battery test. 1 2 3 and the 3 one, select this one, try. I have opened this one, select the second and the third, press on the back to home, NTLS to English. So you can see here, this is the FRP lock bypass of Vivo Y21. You can use this method for your phone. Maybe this video will be helpful for you, so thank you for watching.